roof guttering is a very common way to handle rain runoff, but Joe has another idea.
Well, in this case, Danny, the homeowners didn't want to put gutters on the whole house, but they also didn't want water running off right over their back door.
Right.
So what I've come up with instead is to install a piece of flashing called the rain diverter. It's simply a piece of metal that's been bent a couple of times. It comes in a 10-foot length. So the first thing you do is just cut it about 2 feet longer, 3 feet longer than the area you're going to protect. This is a 6-foot door, so I cut it down to about 8 feet. And then you're going to slip it up under the shingles about 2 or 3 courses up from the lower edge. So what I did earlier is I used my thin pry bar and I broke the seal underneath this row of shingles so I can get this underneath. Should just slip right in there.
Okay, go to your way just a little bit. There you go.
There you go. Now, as the water runs down, you want to make sure it pitches off to one side. We don't want it running onto our patio, so we're going to pitch it in this direction a little bit right into the garden.
Okay,
I'm
I'll
going to tack it down.
For you here.
Yep, pull that up. I'm going to tack it down with a couple of 7/8" long roofing nails. I'm going to put it right in there, right in the middle of the flashing. Tack it in. And then to prevent any water from seeping in, just in case, I'm just going to take this roofing cement and put a big blob right on top. And then when you press that down, it not only seals out the water, but it helps hold down the shingle.